The story of the brigand who was robbing a caravan, and there's some juice in someone's saddle, and they mentioned it to the head brigand. He asked him, he says, "Do you want some juice?" He says, "I'm fasting." And so this righteous man looks at him like, "You're robbing a caravan, like you're fasting?" And he said that, "I wanted to leave at least one door between Allah and I open." He's robbing a caravan, but he's fasting. Years later, this pious man is in front of the Kaaba al-Musharrafah, and then he looks over and he sees the brigand making tawaf. He says, "Is that you?" And he said that, "I left the door open between Allah and I, and He accepted it, and He let me in." And this is why I never make anyone despair. And if someone's doing 99 things wrong, just encourage them to do one thing right. And you never know. That could be the door for them to turn to Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala.